Welcome to our channel. Today discuss about the financial management MCQ of working capital management. Let's start. Question 1. First, working capital is also known as A. Operation capital, B. Operating capital, C. Current asset capital, D. Capital related to main objective of the company. The answer is B. Operating capital. Second, positive working capital means that option A, the company is able to pay off the long-term liability. B, the company is able to select profitability project. C, the company is unable to meet the short-term liability. D, the company is able to pay off short-term liability. The answer is option D. Question 3. Which of the following is the correct formula to calculate work in progress conversion period? The answer is option C. Average stock of work in progress divide annual cost of production multiplication 360 day. Question 4. Which of the correct formula to calculate working capital leverage? The answer is option D. A and C. A is a change percentage in change in ROCE divided change in current asset. C, current asset divided by total asset minus current asset. Question 5. If raw material consumed is rupees 8,42,000, cost of production is 14,25,000, stock of raw material and work in progress is 1,24,000 and 72,000 respectively, then the raw material conversion period will be not 1 year is equal to 365 days. You have the remember the raw material conversion period formula is a average stock of raw material divide raw material consumed. Average stock of raw material divide raw material consumed. Material consumed multiplication 365 days. Here the see the average stock of raw material is 1,24,000 divide divide 8,42,000 multiplication 365 days. You will get 54 day of the raw material consumed. The answer is option A. Question 6. Calculate the working capital from the following data. Raw material stock is 11,70,000. Work in progress stock 9,48,750. Finished goods stock 26,65,000. Debtor 55,12,000. Cash and bank 6 lakh. Creditor 70 lakh 55,000. Outstanding expense is 14 lakh 95,000. You have to calculate work in progress. The formula is total asset minus current liability. You will see total the all asset and minus creditor and outstanding expense liability. You will get the answer is option B, 76 lakh 55,715. 7. Work in progress conversion period is equal to 18 days. Raw material consumed 8,42,000. Stock of work in progress 72,000. Cost of production find. Let's calculate. In this question, you will find the work in progress conversion period. Formula is average stock of work in progress divided annual cost of production multiplication 360 days. You are given the working conversion period is 18 days is equal to average stock of work in progress is 72,000 divide annual cost of production. In this question is not given. You will find is that's x multiplication 365 days. 72,000 divide cross multiplication. The work in progress conversion period is 80 divide x multiplication 365 day. You will get the answer is option D, 14,60,000. Question 8. Raw material consumption is equal to 6,48,000. Raw material purchase is equal to 8,42,000. Annual cost of production is 14,42,000. Creditor 75,000. Bill payable 25,000. Credit payment period is equal to find. Not 1 year is equal to 360 day. The formula is credited payment period is equal to annual payable divide annual material per credit material purchase multiplication 360 day is equal to 1 lakh total annual payable is a creditor plus bill payable divide annual credit purchase is a 8,42,000 multiplication 360 days. You will get the answer is option B, 43 days. 3 days. Question 9. The following information available for your calculation. Level of activity 1,56,000 unit per unit rupees is raw material 19, direct labor 14, overhead 75, total 205, profit is 60 and selling price is 265. Raw material are stocked on average for 2 months and material are in process on average half a month. Calculate the value of raw material stock for working purpose. The calculation of the raw material stock in given 90 per unit. So total unit is given in this question is 1,56,000 multiplication 19 rupees. You will get 10 second 14,04,400. In this question, raw material is a stock of average for only for 2 months. You will multiplication 2 and divide 12 months. You will get the answer is option 23,40,000. Option is a B. So question 10. The following information is provided by DPS Limited for the year ending 31st March 2019. Raw material storage period is 55 days. Working progress conversion period is 18 days. Finished goods material storage is 22 days. Debts collection period is 45 days. Credit payment period is 16 days. Annual operating cost include the depreciation is 2,10,000 was 21,000. Annual operating cost in 21 lakh and include the depreciation 2,10,000. You will get the 18,19,000 is a given 1 year is equal to 360 days. Divide 360 days. 60 days. You require to calculate the working capital on cash cost basis. 18,90,000 divided 360 days. You will get the answer 1 day operating cost. 1 day operating cost is 5,250. Next, in this question is all of the day multiplication. Raw material storage period plus finished goods plus debtor period 45 days. You will minus the liability period. The creditor payment is 16 days. You will get the working progress conversion period 18 days. Let's show in this question. So in this operating cycle period, all of the plus and deduct only liability period is the creditor period is 16 days. You get the 18 days. And working capital is equal to operating cost divided 360 days multiplication operating cycle days. 18,90,000 divided 16 day multiplication 18 days. You will get the answer is option A 4,20,000. Question 11. Negative working capital means that answer is option B. The company currently is unable to meet its short-term liability. Next. Question 10. Which of the following analyze the account receivable, inventory and account payable cycle in the term of the number of days? The answer is option C. Operating cycle. Question 13. Which of the following method is not used for calculating the working capital cycle? A. Percentage of sale method. B. Regressive analysis method. C. Operating cycle approach. D. Trial and error method. The answer is option D. Trial and error method is not used in calculating working progress capital. Question 14. Which of the following is a determinant of working capital? First, nature of size of business, manufacturing cycle and credit policy and production cycle is. Select the correct answer from option the given below. Determining working capital is nature of cycle is include manufacturing and credit policy. All of the answer is option D is a determination of the working capital. This point. Question 15. Entire working capital is required at the time of commencement of the business. The answer is option C. This video is useful to your exam. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.